You see him up there, right there in the chat with you. Shouts out to Triple B Farms because that's his other YouTube channel too. So he coming in doing his networking thing. So to go check out both of those YouTube channels. Just put them in your search bar. Oh, hey, shout out to Barry Miller Genetics though, because I know this shit should be some fire. And since they autos, like we said, it's November now, so by the time we get these done, that'll be not too long from now. So shout out to 2025, the homework plan. We already got homework that we've been started before, right? You're right. This ain't in the playlist yet, but we got pre videos for the homework playlist already set up. Shouts out to the workbook. We already put the stop to it at 178 videos. Shouts out to the 178 videos. If you know the numbers, you know what we talking about. Shouts out to you. You did. We done made the numbers happen on that playlist. That's just like the Team Deepwater Cultivating playlist. We got the owner's box. We stopped that one at 33 videos. Yeah, 33. Imagine that. Somebody tell them. We got the numbers on lock as far as our playlist formation schemes these days. So, our playlist is going to be very successful on the replay game. Shout out to the replays because, to stay in the playlist. Yeah, we got plenty of content for you, so stay in the playlist. You did. We be moving around. We be active. Shouts out to not knowing how to not hustle because, that's the only thing your boy do is hustle. Hell, I get money one way or another. Everybody knows that. That's why the video title was what it was today. You know what I'm saying? Shouts out to y'all for being here because y'all seen we on our hustle. You know what I mean? We got 11 different genetics from the big homie Bear Miller started in the green room. And we going to be rocking autos. You dig? Then once I find something I like, I got the photos for them. So you dig? We going to show you how to do that too. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna be busy with homework all 2025, and Barry Miller gonna be throwing genetics, and then SOS might be throwing genetics because that's what they do. They be seed chucking, throwing them seeds at you here. Barry already said he got over 2,000 popping up coming in a grow he already started months ago. Like, oops, I threw them seeds and now they done popped. Now more of them popping. Yeah, they're all just popping. Like, fuck it. They waited on my ass, and now they're inconvenient because they all just sprouting. I'm overgrown. The weeds took it over. Somebody send some help. Hell, it be like that sometimes. Sometimes you might need some help with the project. But yeah, shouts out to them. Shouts out to them seeds though, because they coming through, and we'll keep them running. Lord knows I got plenty more from Triple B to keep going, and yeah, plenty more. Look, they right here in this. You see it? Seeds in this bitch. We gonna keep them going because there's plenty of them left. Like I said, those are just the first ones I got in pots, ready to go. Some of them already in solo, some of them still 3 in the pot. But hell, we gonna get them all potted separately, and then have everything going this way. Matter of fact, I already know what I'm gonna end up doing. I'm gonna take 6 plants and put them in the flower tent because they're autos and the flower tent's ready to be emptied out anyways. Shouts out to the empty flower tent, so we gonna just restock it with autos. They ain't gonna need more than 12 hours of light anyway, so they're autos. They're gonna grow how they grow until they grow. So, yep, get rid of 6 of them. That'll open up space back up in here. because you know I'm a real